Hello! To clean USB port and fix no charging issue on the Redmi Note 14, first of all, let's take a look at our USB port. And right here we can see that there is some dirt available inside, and it is a very common issue when you are using your phone and basically you put it in your pockets, and so there might be some dirt collecting in the long period of time. As you can see here we have some dirt, so basically that is a common issue, and we can actually fix this problem by cleaning this port using something. I recommend using something made out of plastic, since it is not recommended to insert any metal items in here. I thought that you could try to clean your port with this one, but with the pin to SIM tray, but it's actually pretty tricky to do this, and it is made out of metal, so I do not recommend to use something like this. But what I do recommend to do is to take something like a business card, something like this, and as you can see it is made out of thick paper. It is made out of the thick paper, and what I recommend you to do is to take this business card and make a little paper strap out of this. Simply you have to tear it like this, make a thin paper strap and long enough to actually fit this inside this port and to handle it, as you can see. And with something like this it should be pretty easy to actually clean your USB port. And also, in case your USB port is clean but there is still a problem with charging, there's a very high possibility that your phone might actually disable the USB port, so there's actually no way to charge it, no way to connect it to your computer, or no way to plug it to a different phone using the compatible cable. And it might happen while charging your phone. There might be some issue with the charging, like for example power shortage or something. So all you have to do is simply have to turn off your phone and turn it on back again. Simply restart your phone and the USB port should be enabled back again and everything should be fine. But right now, to clean your USB port, let me just show you. We have to take our phone just like this. We have to see if we have any dirt like in here, and as I just showed you, you have to take this little paper strap right here and insert this inside this port and try to take out the dirt using this paper strap. And it might be actually easier with this paper strap than with any other item, since this is actually thin enough to do this, and the other items are actually very thick and it will be actually a little bit tricky to do this. So yeah, you simply have to put this paper inside and try to collect all the junk which is inside your port to one side. And as you can see, I just managed to take out one of this junk pieces out of here, and I think there is one more, but I'm not sure though. I need to take a look. Yeah, we have one more junk inside, so all we have to do is simply, let me maybe change the sides, and yeah, all we have to do is to insert it inside and try to collect the dirt in one side of our port, and then it might be actually possible to take it out with this paper strap. But in case if you actually have something made out of plastic and it's actually thin enough to fit in here, then you can try with this item. It might be actually easier with the solid kind of little stick like this. And I was also trying to do this with a toothpick, but the toothpick is actually too thick to insert it inside this port, between the port itself and this plastic thing of this USB port right here. And as I can see, I managed to take out the second piece of junk out of this port, and the port itself is actually shiny, as you can see down below, so we can take a look under the light if everything is fine. And I can see that this port is clean actually, so we can also blow inside this port to get rid of the rest of this like junk from here. And yeah, basically that's it. As you can see, we have the port clean, and let me just show you. Let me just connect this USB cable to our phone, and it will be plugged in right here just fine, all the way up to the port. So let me take this, and as you can see, the cable is connected all the way and everything is fine. So basically That's how to clean up your USB port, that's how to clean it up, and that's also how to fix your charging issue on the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.